Wow, that rocket is huge! And look at the robot! This place is the best!
Wow, this place is amazing!
Look at that rocket!
It's even better up close.
And a friendly robot!
Whoa, look, it's waking up.
Wow, awesome!
So huge, and it's moving.
Yeah, cool!
Greetings, young explorers.
Whoa, it talks! Are you a real robot? This is so cool!
What's with the question mark?
No idea. Let's find out.
This place is huge.
Come on, this way.
Hi everyone, ready to learn about dinosaurs? Yes, tell us! T-Rex was a fierce predator. Wow, sure was.
Hey, it's okay. You're doing great.
My systems feel heavy. I am inadequate.
No, you're not. You're my best friend. Thank you.
Hi Mom! Hi Dad! Hello, sweetie!
Hey, buddy.
I love you!
The robot lab upstairs.
We will help you.
Robo feels happy.
They begin their small adventure.
Suddenly a guard appears. Copy that, I'm on it.
Did you hear that?
It came from over there! Quick, hide!
Scanning, all clear.
Stay down.
Psst, I have a secret.
What is it, Robo?
Shh, it's a surprise. The guard leaves the hall.
The robot looked happy.
Many robots were moving.
But this was not his home.
Ryan started thinking again.
The robot looked worried.
Don't worry. Don't worry. They saw a sign for the AI lab.
The lab looked very modern.
A scientist was working there. The scientist looked at the robot. Hey, that robot looks familiar.
The robot blinked happily.
The scientist checked his tablet.
It showed a missing robot alert.
Ryan felt proud. Thank you for helping. Anytime, happy to help. Goodbye, Ryan.
Bye, robot! See you!
The robot waved goodbye.
The robot went home.
Ryan felt very happy. We finally did it. This is incredible. So I told my family the story. They were so surprised to hear it. His parents were proud. Wow, buddy, this is incredible.
I drew it for you!
We're so proud of you, sweetie.
The museum was still exciting.
It really is. Look at all this. Wow, so cool.
Wow, these robots are so cool! Look at the glowing eyes!
Ryan loved robots even more.
One day, he wanted to build robots.
And this is my robot prototype.
The robot watched Ryan leave.
The robot was safe now.
The day was ending.
Ryan felt proud of helping.
I'm glad I could help, Mom.
You were a big help, sweetie.
We're almost home. Helping others feels great.